Hey, what's going on, guys? So today I'm in El Paso, Texas, and we're opening up a new shop, which business overall has been pretty hard. And we had already decided in some construction with someone. So we kind of have to move forward with this project, but I'm feeling very confident because this location is in a very good location. The store is being built from scratch, and it's quite interesting. So I wanted to bring you guys on board, let you guys see how the construction is going. Honestly, it's pretty much almost finished up. But in terms of how we're gonna decorate the location, everything, that's still, it's like a blank store. There's no machinery, no equipment. So in this video, I'm gonna be explaining what equipment we're gonna put in this shop, and then I'm also gonna be talking about my strategy on how I'm gonna try to help the manager, the person, the operations manager, pretty much the director here in El Paso, Texas, on how we could get more business. Obviously, I'm more in the Las Vegas area, but I see similar opportunities here. Same type of business, same business model. So I'm excited to be here in the El Paso, Texas market now. But anyways, guys, so if you do enjoy this video, be sure to smash that like button, subscribe, and let's get to it. All right, guys, so we are in the warehouse now. We're in the actual shop where we're going to be putting pretty much everything. So we have the desks right here. They're gonna be putting like countertops, like a big countertop for some computers. We're gonna have 3 computers or 3 workstations, and they're still putting electricity. They still have to put maybe some drywall or something. I really don't know, paint it up. Not sure if the logo is gonna go on top or if it's gonna go in here at the bottom. This, I'm assuming, is going to be the waiting area, right? Obviously some chairs. Still got to put like the little tile covers for the roof. We got a little small office here as well for the manager. And I'll show you guys the rest so you guys can see the rest of the shop. So as you guys can see, this will be called Tire Mart Airway Tire Center, and it's called Airway because it's in the street, I guess, in Airway Street in El Paso. I think it's Airway Boulevard. But as you guys can see, it's actually quite a busy street. There's a lot of dealerships around here, and we're no farther than probably 4 to 5 minutes away from the airport. As you guys can see in this image, this shop will have 3 bay doors, which would also offer services like alignments, brakes and shocks, and of course, tires. Now right here, you guys can see the main shop area. So we will have some of these lift pads for tires. So whenever we have to work on tires, we do have a 2-pole post as well. And then in this area specifically, we're going to be installing all the tire changers, the tire balancers, etc., etc. You guys can see here pieces of the 2-pole post where we are going to be working for brakes and shocks, probably right here. And then finally, you guys could see the compressor and the electrical work. We might just have 2 compressors in case one gives out. But again, we are going to be installing the alignment machine somewhere here as well so that we could do alignments on the 4-pole lift. And then we do have some good space here for maybe some tire storage, so new tires and used tires. But as you guys can see, it's a fairly interesting shop. Now, of course, here you guys can see the employee break room where they will have a sink to wash their dishes, and of course, a small get-together place where they can maybe rest, watch some TV, and be under the AC. I really don't know why they put the electrical box here though. So now something I did want to talk about was that the person we're actually bringing, he's coming from Mexico. So we're gonna be doing an E2 visa. Again, if you're not familiar with how all this works, it's just pretty much a working visa that we can give to someone so that they could come and work over in the US. Normally these visas cost anywhere between $4,000 to $5,000 to do. But luckily for me, I've done these visas myself, so we're just gonna go ahead and do the paperwork ourselves. And after that, we're gonna try and save some money. So we're gonna pretty much do first like some paperwork. I'm working on all that stuff, and I will be having an attorney kind of go over all my documents and stuff. But honestly, with doing it that way, really, we're gonna save ourselves anywhere between $4,000 to $4,500 because in attorney fees and really in my time, we're gonna be able to save quite some money. So I just kind of want to let you guys know that's how we're gonna approach this, because we needed someone of trust, someone who we know we can rely, just leave the business to, and they can take care of it. And And pretty much we also needed someone who has the experience, right? Someone who has been in the industry for some time and who's going to be able to know the workarounds, you know, the operation, if a machine breaks down, a compressor breaks down, what to do. So the person we're actually hiring, it's a person we've been doing business for quite some time in Mexico. He's from Juarez, so pretty much same, you know, it's a border city of El Paso, Texas. So he knows both areas very well. He knows where to buy tires, where the suppliers work. He's mainly in the used tire business, which I think it's a very lucrative business. But he has a lot of experience, and that's a person that's going to be, we're going to be working with, you know, and kind of like he's going to be handling all the operation. And then we're going to be taking care of all the administrative financial aspect, but back home, you know, in Vegas. But well guys, that is it for this video. I will be doing a part 2 once the shop is fully operational and the whole shop setup is complete. You know, customers are visiting the store. But for now, you know, let me know if you guys live in El Paso, Texas. If you do, feel free to stop by. I'll leave the address of this shop in the description below. Also, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe. It really helps my channel, you know, kind of grow and recommend videos like these to others similar to us. And so, yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day, and I'll see you guys again next time. Peace.